First, I'm going to start by cutting up the fruits, and I'm using this amount of ginger. You can use less or you could use more. I just like to use a lot of ginger in my juices. So now we're just going to cut these up. I already washed my ginger. I've already washed all the fruits, because I'm going to use the skin, so you just want to run this underneath the pie. Now we're going to cut up the pineapple. And pineapple and ginger is the best combo, iconic combo in the world. I don't know nothing tastes better than a pineapple and ginger. Oh my goodness. Pineapple and ginger is the best. They complement each other very well. And you can also use the skin to make juice as well. You don't have to throw these away. So we have our pine, and now we have our ginger cut up. Now we're going to cut up our orange. I'm using 2 orange. So we're just going to blend this. Finish prepping our fruits. These are looking nice and lovely. I'm going to blend up the fruits in 2 batches. I'm going to use 2 cups of water now and 2 cups of water to blend the second batch. This is smelling amazing. Oh my goodness. I'm just going to pour these out. Now we're going to blend the second batch. So I'm going to add 2 more cups of water. We're going to use a spoon to allow this to go down in the strainer. Now you want to go ahead and strain this again to get the excess pulps out. Unless you like pulps in your juice, but I don't. Okay. This is smelling amazing. So see, we get that extra pulse out from it. Right. Now I'm gonna add a lemon to it. And I'm gonna add 1 cup of brown sugar. You can use honey, or you could just drink it straight away like this without adding any sugar to it. So you could just drink it just like this, but I'm adding 1 cup of sugar. Okay, you're gonna mix this until it's dissolved. Gonna add some ice to my glass. And here you have it, guys, my pineapple, ginger and lemon with orange juice. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and this drink is refreshing and tasty. I'm gonna do a taste test. Refreshing, just the way I like it, with a hint of ginger and that lime and that orange flavor is coming up. You're gonna like it. Please try out this recipe. Amazing, and you'll like it. Bye guys, see you in my next video.